You are chosen for beautiful things, even broken.
It's time!
Hey curly girl, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Charmaine and you already know what time it is. It is time to big chop. Now I just got up in the spare of the moment. It was literally like 10-11 p.m. and I was just like, you know what? I'm ready. So I got up and just decided to go ahead and chop my hair. Now in this video, you're going to see that I didn't really cut my hair super short. I just cut off a good chunk of an amount of the dead ends. Of course, you know you cannot reverse the dead ends of your hair because they're dead, they're gone. So you can't reverse those, but you can try to salvage as much as you can and try to just get the curls that you do have to try to get that length back. But the ends, when they're damaged, baby, they're done. So I just decided to just wet my hair and just go ahead and cut it off. Now, again, you're still going to see some straight pieces. We still have a long road ahead of us trying to get those curls to reform and come back to its curly state. I didn't cut off all of the ends, just like I said, just a good amount, just to kind of get me going. But I just knew I was ready. I knew that I didn't want a TWA this time, so I just went ahead and just cut it how it is, you know, like just so I can have some kind of length. So I'll just go ahead and let this play out, and you can just see me go ahead and just cut it and just have a good time, you know. We'll definitely talk a little bit more about, you know, my thoughts and why I decided to go ahead and cut my hair, why I didn't decide to cut it so short, what I am still doing, and products that I'm still using, to get those curls back. But for the most part, yeah, girl, them ends are out of here, you know. A good 70% of the ends are gone. So that other 20%, I'm just going to just keep working with my hair, continue to have it to grow out, keep up with my trims, and just continue trimming as I go. But yeah, girl, we officially did it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let this play out, and then I'll show you at the end, um, all of the hair that I cut off. So yeah, girl, enjoy.
Honey.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
God, you call me by my name. The
love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. This
All right, girls. So this is what we looking like. I actually really love it. I did go ahead and style it, so I'll show that in another video. I also go ahead and show you a little more towards the end how much hair I did cut off. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later, girl. Bye.